In this video, we will be talking about the complement system that we briefly discussed in our video on innate and adaptive immunity. The complement system is a part of the innate immune response, but we see that the complement system acts as a bridge between the innate and acquired immune response, as one of the pathways of activation is antibody-dependent. This pathway is known as a classical pathway. It is a natural link between the innate and the acquired immune system. Overall, the complement system plays an essential role in host defense. The complement system is composed of about more than 20 different proteins that work together to destroy invaders and to signal other immune system players that the attack is on. It is called a complement because it complements the ability of phagocytic cells and antibodies. The complementary proteins are produced by the liver, which circulate in the blood as enzymes called zymogens. They normally live in an inactive state until the cascade events start and activate the constituents of the complementary system. Other than infected cell lyses and immune clearance, the function of the complementary system is to cause inflammation so that more immune cells can join the battle against a pathogen and opsonization of pathogens can occur. Before moving ahead, let's look at some of the terminologies that you need to familiarize yourself with. 9 main complement proteins of the system are C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, and C9. C is for complement, and number comes from the order they were discovered, not in the order of function. Once these complement proteins are cleaved, the cleavage products are given a lowercase a or b after the number. The F fragment is inactive and smaller and acts as anaphylatoxin. We will discuss that later. While the B fragment is active and larger, the binding portion that initiate the cascade events. C2 is an exception that a fragment is active and larger, and the B fragment is inactive and smaller. The fragments adhere together to form complexes. These complexes form and or act as enzymes. To designate which C proteins make up the complex, the name of the proteins is strung along in the order in which they bind. For example, the C3 convertase enzyme is also called C4b2 because it is made up of C4b and C2 fragments. Something you should know to avoid any confusion before we move ahead. Now, in medical journals and academic papers, the C4b2A complex is written as C4b2B, but in medical books, the term C4b2A is more often seen. We will go through the activation pathways of the complement system in the next section.